Hey Tristan, I have your test here. I want to go over those two questions that you asked for. So the first one says Yasmin finds the absolute value of negative 655. Which expression represents this value? When we take the absolute value, and you see it in print, they use vertical bars around the number. And so this reads, what's the absolute value of negative 655? When we take an absolute value, we're actually finding the distance that a number is from 0. Since distance is always positive, when you take an absolute value, you're always going to get a positive answer. Negative 655 is 655 units away from 0. Again, it's positive because it's a distance. So what you're looking for in these answer choices is the one that gives us a positive 655, the answer to the expression. So in the one that you selected, 0 plus negative 655, this gives us negative 655. So that is not equivalent to positive 655. In the second option, 0 minus negative 655. So when you're subtracting a negative, it's like you're taking negatives away. You're adding a positive. Oftentimes with subtraction problems, we teach to change the subtraction to addition and then also change the sign of the number behind it. So you can see here in this correct answer choice how we do end up with positive 655. Just to kind of further clarify why the other two don't work, the third option choice is 0. Those numbers are opposites. And the last answer choice, you're starting with a negative and subtracting even more. So that means we're getting even more negative. And that one would be negative, let's see, 1200, 1250, 1300, negative 1310. So it's that second answer choice there. Question 6 says, what's the first step when applying properties of operations to divide 73.85 by 4.1? So when you're dividing by a number, we want to make sure that that number does not have any decimals in it. 73.85 divided by 4.1 would look like this if we were going to use long division. And in an example like this with long division, remember we've got to get rid of this decimal. So we're going to multiply by 10, and because we did it there, we also have to do it here. We're going to multiply by 10. That's the same as moving the decimal one place to the right. So we're multiplying that divisor and the dividend by 10. Again, 4.1 is what you're dividing into 73.85. Had those numbers been reversed, then your answer would have been correct. So I think you might have been thinking move this 2 times, that's like multiplying by 100, so then I would have to do it here. But again, this one was the other way around. That 4.1 is what we need to multiply by 10, so we'll do that to 73.85 as well. Great job on your test. Keep working hard, and as always, reach out as you have questions. Thank you. Have a good weekend.